create my building wall system, the first thing before I jumping into the creating a floor system for my drawing is that adjusting the elevation in relation to this new pieces. I adjust the location of this placement of this elevation, but still if I select each elevation, you see that it's gonna be all the way out of my building. It's super big, so I have to make it adjusted to my building here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go to the east elevation, and as you can see I have this building symbols and it's all going all the way to this corner. I'm gonna select that, and when I select that I can grab this endpoint and I'm gonna drag it all the way to this side, and as you can notice the other one is automatically adjusted with that. I'm gonna zoom into this one. I'm gonna use this corner again and then bring it all the way closer to my building. So now if I go to the zoom extend, that basically adjusted to this two view. I need to make sure that the text that I put here is not going to interfere with my drawing. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this again and I'm going to grab it and put it a little bit farther from my drawing. I'm going to go to the check the north elevation. You have to do the same thing for the north elevation. So basically select this and then bring it all the way closer to the buildings, and then the other side, you're going to bring it all the way closer to the building. Zoom extend, that will be fine. I think that this south is going to be fixed and the west is going to be fixed. Okay, the only thing that I have to adjust is that location of this one. So I'm going to grab it and then move it a little bit farther from my building. Let's check it on the south view. Yes, in the south view I need to do the same thing. I'm going to grab it and then place it a little farther. So my basically adjust my view adjusted. Now I'm going to go back to my first floor. So as you notice down here, this says the scale of my drawing. So the scale of my drawing, if I click on that, you see a list of different scales associated with this drawing. I can choose whatever scale I want, and as you notice, whenever I go up or down, the symbols in this drawing is going to be changing. So let's put it on 1/8 equal to 1. And then on the second comments here, you see the detail level of this drawing. If I choose a different detail level, for example, let's go with the fine detail level. Ask me to save the project. I want to save the project. You see that the detail level that I have in my wall system is going to be in a it's show all the layers in my wall system right now. So if I go over and then this time change this one, for example, to 1/2 equal to 12, you see that all the line weight, all the details that I can see in this drawing automatically change and associated with the new scale here. And that's the beauty of AutoCAD. You don't need to change the Revit, sorry. And that's the beauty of Revit basically. So you don't need to change any sort of a detailing when you're working with the different wall assemblies. So for this drawing, I'm going to keep it as a 1/8 equal to 1. And I'm going to keep the level to medium. And I'm going to zoom out here. You can see the drawing set. So now that I set this up, I'm gonna go to the next step and basically creating a floor system for my drawing.